What's up guys, Gaming Family here, and today we're going to be unboxing the ZTE Blade T2. So yeah guys, I bought this phone off of Amazon for $20. It was the cheapest phone that they had on their website. Let's go ahead and get into the specs real quick. It has 4G LTE, Android 8.1 Oreo, 5-inch touchscreen, talk time up to 12 hours, standby time up to 12 days, 16 gigabytes of memory storage, and that's expandable with an SD card, and 5 megapixel back camera and a 2 megapixel front camera. This is normally not the normal videos I do, but I thought, why not? $20 phone. Let's go ahead and see what the quality is and how it is. Let's go ahead and get this unboxed. We got this package here. You have in the back here, you got your start guide. You got all your guides and stuff in here. So you got service guide, you got get to know your smartphone, all this stuff that you don't need. Here's the serial number. When you set one of these up, you have to go to the website and type this in. And yeah. Let's go ahead and unbox the phone. Alright. So what we got back here, so you can't really see it, you got your another manual book thingy. Here's your charger. Some generic white charger, which I've never seen in a phone. Next thing you got here, you got your charge cable, which is also white, which is weird. Just your normal USB cable and stuff. You got your battery right here. These phones don't come with a battery in them. Yeah, it's a pretty decently sized battery. 2200 milliamp hours. And the last thing that we got here, we have the back cover of the phone, because the battery does not come inside the phone, because they ship these straight from China. It's telling you what to do. You got a massive Blade logo down there, which I do not like. Just cheap plastic. Alright, let's get to the phone. Here's the phone. It's decently sized. It's not bad. You got the back camera. Looks like they're trying to copy an iPhone X. Here's a SIM card. SIM card already comes installed. You just have to go online, and with this activation sheet, you activate your service, or you just pop a SIM card that you have already inside, and you'll be good to go. Alright. We also got the SD card slot here too, to expand the storage if we want to, because this barely has 16 gigabytes of storage. Let's go ahead and pop this battery in. Pop the back cover on. I'll get rid of the sticker later. Let's peel off this front cover. Alright, let's start it up. why they would include a white charge cable and a white block. That's weird. Finally, let's go ahead and set this up. Alright, let me connect to my Wi-Fi. It's definitely pretty sluggish. Alright, now we're finishing up. That's a super generic looking wallpaper. Same thing. Alright, we're done. That's the same wallpaper as that came with the phone. It looks exactly like the little film here. Let's go ahead, let's go into settings. Let's go all the way down to the bottom. System. About phone. So the RAM you got here, 2 gigabytes of RAM. You got Android 8.0.1. Let's be a developer. There's a little sign right here, Android Oreo. Let's go back. Alright, seems like a pretty decent phone. I'll make sure to do a check back after a couple of like a month or two. I'll go ahead and take a picture right now with the camera. I'll put that up on screen. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. I'll make sure to have more content, more awesome stuff coming soon. I have a lot of stuff planned. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you.